3 reasons why I bought my last investment property in Calgary and not in Ontario. Number 1 is there's no land transfer tax in Alberta. That means you save 1 to 1.5% of purchase price in land transfer tax when you buy in Alberta versus if you are buying in Ontario or in BC. Number 2, there is no rent control in Alberta, which means that next year I can actually raise the rents by 10%, 12%, whatever is the market norm at that time. Whereas in Ontario, you cannot increase the rents by more than 2.5% if your property was built before 2019. And number 3, and probably the most important one, is it's still affordable. You can actually buy a duplex for $450,000 to $500,000, which is almost next to impossible to buy something like that in Ontario or BC, especially in the main city centers. And that is an important point for not just investors but first time home buyers as well. But especially if you're an investor, there's a higher chance of you turning a cash flow and not going into negative every single month.